was one of the few people that was there to actually learn and actually cared about the work that I was doing. And he'd often pull me from the classes I didn't like, saying, hey, like, I need this, I need help on this, or I need help on that. And it started with that. And then when I got my first car and I got my first bill, and I was like, oh, yeah.
I don't like that. Don't like that.
Nope. And then I started doing I bought
What was your first car?
It was a 2005 Toyota Corolla.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a very reliable vehicle. Nothing wrong with that.
It was good on gas.
I bet you it had like 300,000 K when you got it.
You ready for the kicker?
Yeah.
122,000.
What?
Yeah, I didn't want to get rid of the car. Yeah, I got rear-ended 2 days after my my 18th birthday.
Oh, no.
Yeah, right on Dundas.
Terrible.
Horrible. But it was a great learning
Listen,
experience.
a young individual like yourself at the time, you're not cool cruising around in a Corolla.
Nope.
18, no.
No, but the car
Honda Civic, maybe.
Honda Civic with a little exhaust, a stereo.
Oh. And what do you drive now?
I got a 2004 Lexus IS300. Yeah. Older, but nicer.
But you're talking to us, aren't you? You're quietly dropping hints that you want to get something different.
Yeah, I've been saying it for the last little while.
Bring my wallet.
Yeah, BMW.
Bring my wallet.
Or break my wallet.
Don't get me wrong. I love BMWs. They have made me a lot of money over the years. But
I was going to say, is that why?
I don't. Any friends or family? No, you do not want that unless you're leasing. You can lease it and get rid of it, or if you're in the trade, yes. You can
that's
get
another big
parts
thing.
Parts at cost and you do your own labor, but you'll learn to love to hate it because you'll be spending a lot of time fixing it.
A lot of time,
especially if you play hard with it. That's the other thing.
But it looks good.
Well, it looks good. Here we go. Okay, so you're in school. The teacher's giving you support. You're feeling it. So at what point in time do you say, hey, I want to further my career? Was it the teacher that pushed it on you and said you should?
It was the teacher, and it was some of the friends I had at the time, too, were kind of into it. And I'm not going to say it initially gave me that push, but getting that first bill of someone else working on the car and me going and picking up a tool set at a hardware store and going, how hard can it be? It was actually very hard that first time. I would like to say that. It was not easy.
I meant to say we're having technical difficulties and shut this off. What are you talking about?
No, it was not easy. But it was certainly a great experience. And after I got the job done, it was something small like a valve cover gasket. I was like, oh, that actually was pretty fun. And one of my other buddies had an issue with his vehicle at the time, and I fixed that, and I was like, oh, I kind of like this. And then started buying more and more tools and never stopped. Then,
So you bought the tools before you went to school?
Yeah. Well,
that's
little sets, right?
That's serious. That's serious. It shows dedication, commitment. You want to be in the trade, you got to buy the tools.
Yeah, and you have to invest in yourself. That's a very big thing.
And people don't realize that. That's a key statement there, that you have to invest in yourself, right? Because a lot of the trades, you have to buy your own tools. You have to, not just, plumbers and electricians, same thing. Like, you're having to buy and invest, but you have to look at it from the point that you're investing in yourself. I like that.